Hello again, my wonderful colleagues. My name is Marianthe Hassapis. I have created some lesson plans for you. I'm an English language school teacher here in Greece. I have a BA in English language and literature. I studied at the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, and I'm also the author of the book Not an Ordinary Story. Today we're going to be doing a module on Halloween. So it's Halloween time. Let's have some fun with our lessons. So our communicative scenario today would be that the English teacher would come to class dressed up, carrying a Halloween pumpkin or an image of a Halloween pumpkin, and the class doll or mascot will get excited about Halloween. There are no required skills or abilities necessary, and the recommended duration of the lessons would be about 2 to 3 teaching hours, 45 minutes each. Now, our objectives would be that the students would learn and practice the words and phrases I love Halloween, pumpkin, bat, spider, ghost, where are you a yes, no answer, and happy Halloween. The students will also get to learn and practice a Halloween trick-or-treat dialogue, and they will learn a Halloween song. The materials that will be needed would be, again, the English doll or mascot, flashcards, 2 laminated sets each, monster sticks, orange paper plates, Halloween hats, masks, or costumes, an apron and a hat. Teaching aids would be, again, a tablet or a computer and a JBL speaker, or you can just sing the songs yourselves, and cardboard cutout pumpkins or a pumpkin color page, and of course, black and orange markers. Now for the first lesson, the English language teacher would come in dressed up for Halloween holding a Halloween pumpkin, and the mascot or doll would get excited that it is Halloween and would ask the kindergarten teacher to tell the class about Halloween in English-speaking countries. You can give the kindergarten teacher some notes that she can use to explain this holiday. After that, the mascot or doll can say, I love Halloween, I love bats, pumpkins, I love ghosts, I love spiders, and then tell the class that she wants everyone to learn some Halloween words. Now, of course, while the mascot or doll is doing this, the teacher can show the objects or the flashcards, and then, of course, the students can listen and repeat the words. Now, after the students learn the new vocabulary, they can play a few games for further practice. Now, I love these Halloween games, and the kids I had in kindergarten class last year had lots of fun with them. The first game I call Where Are You Bat, where the English language teacher holds laminated monsters on a stick. You can see those in the picture, in the second picture, as a bat, a pumpkin, a ghost, and a spider. And the teacher asks, Bat, Bat, where are you, Bat? Using different Halloween words each time. For example, Spider, Spider, where are you, Spider? And the students have to pick the correct flashcard from the table and say the word. As an alternative, you can stick laminated bats, pumpkins, ghosts, and spiders all over the room, and the students can go and find them and bring them back to the teacher. The second game, it's a What's Missing game, where the teacher would put all 4 flashcards on the table, and when each student turns around, he or she would take away a card. Then the student would have to remember what's missing and say the word. You can also have a reward for every correct answer. For example, the students can get to throw a ball or a Halloween object into a witch's cauldron, which you can make out of a black round bowl, or you can get a picture of a cauldron and stick it in front of a plastic bowl or a plastic basket. The third game is Are You a Monster game? Now, using the bat, pumpkin, ghost, and spider monster sticks, each student at a time would hold one of these sticks behind his or her back, and then another student would guess what he or she is holding using the flashcards. They can either say the monster word, or they can use the phrase, are you a bat? And then the other student can reply yes or no. The student who guesses correctly can take his or her place. Now, you can play this game until everyone has played, and you can also play the game the following lesson as well. After that, you can sing a Monster Mash song. I choose the instrumental version, and I also created dance moves for my students. And the lyrics that I use are bat, bat, where are you, bat? Pumpkin, pumpkin, where are you, pumpkin? Ghost, ghost, where are you, ghost? Spider, spider, where are you, spider? And we repeat this 2 times. And then after that, we say Halloween, Halloween. I love Halloween. And we repeat that again. And you can sing this whole song a couple of times. The kids love it. Don't forget, you're a bat, you're a pumpkin, you're a ghost, and you're a spider. Make sure that the students get some nice dance moves there so that they can learn it, and then they can have a lot of fun with it. And of course, at the end of this lesson, our goodbye routine with our cards and our goodbye song. Now for the second and third lesson, we always begin with our good morning routine. And this time the teacher says, Happy Halloween. Now, we will revise previously learned words with flashcards. The students will come and show the doll or mascot their favorite monster, and then everyone will sing the Monster Mash song together. And again, time for fun. Let's play more games, more Halloween games. We can play the Monster Memory game. Now, in this case, 2 students each time would try to find a match and then say the words that they find. Now, I created a monster memory game. You can see it in the top picture. I used some orange paper plates, and I stuck spiders and ghosts and pumpkins and bats on them. I also used clothes pins as like a handle that students could use to turn around, and we played it like a big version on the ground, on the carpet. They really like this game too. The second game would be that we can go trick-or-treating, a role play game. We can dress up students if possible. 2 of the students would play the house owners. The woman would probably wear an apron, or the man would wear a hat, or the opposite. And 2 other students would trick or treat, wearing some kind of a costume, like a hat or a cape. And then they would switch roles. The dialogue would be, knock, knock, trick or treat. The homeowners would give them some kind of fake treat. I created some small pumpkins and small ghosts. We're not allowed to give real sweets here, so basically I put cotton balls in each one of them. And then at the end, everyone will say, Happy Halloween, Happy Halloween. And as an extra activity, students can make their own pumpkins. The English language teacher can show them some different pumpkin faces, and then the students can choose their favorite. You can give them pumpkins that you've cut out from before that they can use to draw their pumpkin faces, or you can give them a picture of a pumpkin so that they can put the face that they prefer on it as well. For this, of course, you will need your orange and black markers. Now here you can see some photos of the activities that we did. In the first photo, you can see examples of the memory game that I created with the orange paper plates. And in the second picture, you can see the flashcards and the pumpkin that I brought to class. And in the third picture, you can see the treats that I created for the trick-or-treat game. I saw examples of this on YouTube. You can always go onto YouTube. There are lots of different colleagues, and they have created lots of amazing activities and amazing art crafts for us to see and be inspired by. I suggest you all take a look at those, because we get lots of great ideas from lots of different people. So I hope you enjoyed these lessons as well. Happy Halloween, everyone, and bye for now. We'll talk soon.